All right, good day, viewers. I remember my humble self again. Otemu Ogenenyero teaching on YouTube. I encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Otemu Math Success. Before me on the board is Longitude and Latitude. I would have come with the shape of the spherical of the Earth. It's in my place of work. Now, I just left there to want to do one or two things. So let me shoot a movie before I go back to work. All right. So now, but next time I will show you. So, it's a why question number 12b, 2025. Say the point X, latitude 70 degrees south, longitude 60 degrees east, and Y is latitude 7 degrees south, longitude 60 degrees east. Look at them, the latitude are the same. The longitude are also the same. So we now say 60 minus 60 is 0. So we are not going there using to look for the angular distance there. So we now use this. And in physics, we like pole repel, unlike pole attract. And the question says we should illustrate it on a diagram. So I will use a diagram to illustrate. I'll use a diagram to illustrate. And this is, don't mind the shape of my own. Use your compass and ruler to draw it. Your compass and a pencil to draw your own. Now, this is north. Here is south. Here is east. Here is west. Roman figure 1. Now, this is the equator. And the equator is 0 degree. Is 0 degree. Now, x is 70, y is 7. So y will come before x, which is 7 degree. This is 7 degree. This is 70 degree. Now, the angular, the latitude, the longitude, sorry, is 60 degree. So here is x, here is x, and here is y. Here is y, 7 degrees south and 60 degrees east. 7 degrees south and 60 degrees east. Here is x, 70 degrees south, yeah, and 60 degrees east. 70 degrees south and 60 degrees east. So we'll draw from the equator to point X and to point Y respectively. So this is the angular distance. Therefore, angular distance is equal to 70 degree minus 7 degree. I told you, because all of them have the same longitude, we are going to get our angular distance from the latitude. Now, which is equal to 63 degree. So now, we are asked to, Roman figure 2, we are asked to find the distance between x and y along the meridian. The distance between x and y along the meridian, along the equator, along the parallel of longitude. Take note of these 3 things I'll just quote now. We use the same formula. So distance between x and y is equal to theta over 360 times 2 pi big arrow. If it to be a parallel of latitude, now say cos alpha. Why? Because alpha is the latitude. Now, theta there is our angular distance, which is 63 degree over 360 degree times 2. And what is pi? Look at pi here. Times 22 over 7. And what is the radius of the earth? Is 6,400. Okay, let's multiply the numerator. Let's multiply the numerator, which says 63 times 22 times 2, which is 44, times 6,400. It will give us 17740,800. When you multiply 360 times 7, give us 2520. Okay, let's divide. Let us now divide. When you now say, okay, divide by 2520, it will give us what? 7040. So the distance now between x and y is equals to 7040. But when you stop there, the answer is incomplete. In y will mark you A1 minus 1 omission of unit. A1 minus 1 omission of unit. So therefore, you will put your unit is in kilometer. So God bless you again. Those that share, God will always lift you up. Keep on sharing so that others that have not yet reached me can reach me. God bless you.